Alright, here's the aftermath of the banyan tree falling near Cruisin' Coffee, Hilo Burger Joint on Kilway Avenue. See the roots over there. Huge tree. It's probably going to take them forever to get this out of here. Here's a shot from the other side, on the side of the street. As you can see the big roots that were pulled out from under. Alright, here's the side of the church that the tree fell on top of. Again, I'd say maybe like 1/4 of the building got smashed. Can't see it because the huge trees on top. Pretty crazy stuff.